Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to make vegan pepperoni. Add all the ingredients in a large bowl. Now, I'm not vegan, but I chose to start using this vegan pepperoni because after reading the ingredient labels and seeing all the harmful ingredients on the pre-packaged pepperonis, I decided not to use it anymore. Combine all the ingredients till it starts to come together. Then begin kneading it till it becomes firm. As I was saying, the pre-packaged pepperoni is so full of artificial flavors and colors, I don't even know what we were putting in our bodies. So I'm reading all the ingredients in everything I buy from here on, and I hope you do the same and research the ingredients that you're consuming in your products. Now, doing all this does take extra time and work, but when it comes down to it, we only have one body and we need to take care of it. Once the dough is nice and tight, divide it into 2 even portions, rolling each one into a 6-inch log. Now, when I started on this venture of vegan pepperoni, I was skeptical myself, but after trying it, I really enjoy it, and I think you will too. Give it a chance. Once you finish rolling the logs, wrap each in parchment paper, twisting the ends closed. Now, some people may choose to use aluminum foil for this process, and it will work, but it's dangerous to cook with aluminum foil because during the cooking process, the aluminum will be absorbed into our food. So if I'm going to take the time to make one of my healthy pizzas, I'm not going to put garbage ingredients on top of it. If you like this video and feel like you're getting anything out of it, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Now carefully add the logs to the boiling water or instapot and set the timer for 30 minutes. Once the pepperoni logs have completely cooled, slice to your desired thickness and enjoy. And once you've tried this, you can adjust the ingredients to your desired likeness, whether you want it spicier or less spicy, different flavors. Play around with it, make it your own. Thanks for watching, and stick around for the next video.